Am I audible to everyone? So today's tips, tips for today, tips for today. If you really want to get rid of tea, morning tea habit, किसको किसको चाय की आदत है सुबह सुबह? Wow, that's great. The tea person. Okay, so this is the tips for the tea people. आप अचानक से मत छोड़ो, because क्या होता है ना, it might be that if when you are not drinking, automatically your subconscious is giving you a message that something is missing. Because early in the morning you feel like that this stimulant is going to give me energy, but this is not the permanent solution for your energy level. Okay, so what you have to do means first just take out milk from it, then after sugar from it for 7 days, for again 7 days sugar, for 7 days milk, and then after some time the quantity of, you know, means that leaf or tea you are using in that, the quantity diminish it gradually, and afterwards completely remove it. And instead of that, drink any of the good tea like China rose tea. Nowadays, kachi haldi means turmeric is there, so you can make a turmeric tea. Sometime you can take cinnamon tea instead of that. If you feel like taking some of the sweet, कि सुबह सुबह मीठा चाहिए, you can add little bit of jaggery in that, right? So by this, you will get rid of tea because you don't know. Early in the morning, if you are taking tea, it is making your gut completely acidic. And if your gut is acidic, your entire body is acidic. And if your body is acidic, there will be lots many more problems because acidic body is prone to several kind of diseases, right? So this is the tips for the day. And yes,
Shweta, these are ready-made bags, cinnamon, turmeric, they're ready-made?
see, no, I always recommend that homemade. If the tea bag is there, might be that it's too old, then
But how to make?
just make a cinnamon powder, keep it in a box, and take 2 pinches. That's it.
Okay.
Like
So
this.
turmeric, same thing?
In the very same way, you can take turmeric, and nowadays you are getting a raw turmeric. Raw turmeric.
Yes, that we get a lot here.
Hmm. So just grate it and put
Mm-hmm.
in the boiling water and add a
Okay.
little bit of jaggery. Okay,
Okay.
not for
For
the
me,
people,
for
right?
me, tea is in the afternoon, 3 o'clock. Morning, no.
Ah, that is
3
good.
o'clock.
But you know why this addiction is there? Because ultimately it is making your body acidic. So do you want
Okay.
to make your body and gut acidic? If
No.
not, then
Mm.
right. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so very much. Now just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just be seated in a comfortable position. किसी आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठ जाएं. And please switch on your videos. I want to look at the lovely faces. इनको क्वेश्चन पूछना है, कैमरा तो ऑन करना होगा ना कि किसको प्रॉब्लम है भाई. ठीक है. Sit in a comfortable position. And today we will going to do how to raise your vibration. The topic of the meditation today, how to raise your vibration. अपने vibration को कैसे raise करना है. To raise your vibration, all the power is within you only. Just be seated in a comfortable position. चश्मा पहना है तो चश्मा खोल कर रख दें. रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधी कर लें. रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधी करें. और अपने हैंड को या तो अपने लैप में या अपने नीज के ऊपर अध खुला आसमान की तरफ खोल कर रखें, because your hand is the receiver and giver as well. This is the biggest receptor of the universe. You are so blessed that you have two beautiful hands. So put your hand on your knees or on in your lap. या तो अपनी गोद में रखें या अपने घुटनों के ऊपर रखें। अपनी आंखों को बिल्कुल कोमलता के साथ बंद करें और सारा ध्यान अपने शरीर के ऊपर, आंखों को बंद करके अपने ही शरीर का प्रतिक्रमण करें। मीन्स अपने ही शरीर को घूम घूम कर देख जाए चारों तरफ से। आंखों को बंद करके विजुलाइज करें आपने कौन से कपड़े पहने हैं आज, क्या रंग है उसका, क्या स्पर्श है उसका आपके शरीर के ऊपर। विजुलाइज द कलर ऑफ योर क्लॉथ and what is the touch of your cloth on your body. हम सब जानते हैं कि भगवान हमारे अंदर हैं, बोलते तो हैं, जानते भी हैं, लेकिन मानते नहीं हैं। तो ईश्वर सच में हमारे ही अंदर है, यानी कि सबसे बड़ा ट्रस्ट हमें खुद के साथ करने की जरूरत है। When I am trustworthy to myself, when I am loving myself, when I am taking all the decisions in my favor, which is benefiting me as well as others, it means that I am connected to the God. The God is there within us. तो जैसे मंदिर में जाकर ईश्वर की परिक्रमा करते हैं, बंद आंखों के साथ आप जिस किसी भी पोजीशन में बैठे हैं, अपने पूरे शरीर की परिक्रमा करें और अंतरात्मा से, पूरे मन से, पूरे बीइंग से कंप्लीटली एंड कंप्लीटली सरेंडर करें अपने उस देवता देवी गण के ऊपर जो आपके भीतर ही विराजमान है। All the benevolent deities, all the protective forces, and the entire universe is within you. While you are revolving all around you in your visualization, just feel that you are revolving around the universe, revolving around all the god and goddesses. As today I have told you that today is the day that how to raise my vibration. So to raise your vibration, come and concentrate on your breath. So be seated just below your nasal cavity and above your upper lips. यानी कि अपने मन को, अपने माइंड को एक निरीक्षक की तरह, एक गेटकीपर की तरह अपने नासिका द्वार के नीचे ऊपर वाले होठ के ऊपर बैठा दे और हर एक सांस का स्वामी बना दे। एक भी सांस आपके जाने बगैर आपके भीतर जा सके न बाहर आ सके। लगातार ध्यान सांसों के ऊपर। हर आती सांस और जाती सांस को देखते चले जाएं। और अब मेरी गिनती के साथ अपने सांसों को लें. Inhale with the count of 5. Inhale with the count of 5. यानी कि 5 गिनती में सांसें आपके लंग्स और आपके पेट तक चली जाएं. And hold with the count of 4. And exhale with the count of 7. Inhale with the count of 5. Hold the count of 4. Exhale with the count of 7. Again, hold here after exhalation with 4 counts. Now inhale with my counting. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And now relax. And your vibration has raised already by the power of your breath. Continuously concentrate on your breath. By this movement, all the cells and tissues become activated and you become more calm than before. You are now completely connected to yourself. बाह्य जगत से कटकर अब आप आंतर जगत में संपूर्णतया समाहित हो चुके हैं. अपने इस वाइब्रेशन को अपनी सांसों की उस गतिविधि के साथ देखते जाएं स्वयं के भीतर कि आपकी सहज सांसें कहाँ पहुंच रही हैं. आपकी सांसें बिल्कुल सहज, सरल और स्वाभाविक देखिए कहाँ पहुंच रही है. आपके गर्दन तक, छाती तक, या आपकी नाभि तक, या आपके मूलाधार तक. बहुत ध्यान पूर्वक देखें अपनी सांसों. अब अपने टेल बोन के पास से अपनी सांस को उठता हुआ देखें। जब आप सांस लेंगे, आपकी सांस यानी कि आपका ब्रेथ टेल बोन से आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी को अंदर से बींधती हुई, अंदर से पेनिट्रेट करती हुई आपके क्राउन चक्र तक पहुंच रही है। और जैसे ही आप सांस छोड़ें, तो क्राउन चक्र से आज्ञा, नासिका, गर्दन, अनाहत सब कुछ छूते हुए आपके टेल बोन तक पहुंच रहा है। आपके सांसों की आवृत्ति बिल्कुल अभी ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए, लेकिन बिल्कुल सहजता के साथ, सरलता के साथ। तो ब्रीथ इन फ्रॉम योर टेल बोन टिल योर क्राउन चक्र। क्राउन चक्र यानी कि आपकी चोटी वाला स्थान, जहाँ पर कोई आपको आशीर्वाद देता है, ब्लेसिंग्स देता है, तो टच करता है आपके हेड को। The top of your head is the cushion of the crown chakra, and from your crown chakra till your tailbone, you are exhaling from your tailbone till your crown. Inhale from crown till the tailbone. Exhale. So practice this for the next 2 minutes. Now slowly join your hand. Your hand, your folded hand is seated just near your heart chakra. हार्ट चक्र के पास, अपने हृदय के पास अपने दोनों हथेली को मिलाकर रखें। शरीर की हड्डी को सीधी रखें and do the gratitude prayer. Be ready to do the gratitude prayer with all your heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to the entire universe. Thank you so very much, universe, for making me the center of you. Thank you so very much that I am getting all the beautiful energies and all the beautiful white light from all around. And my aura is getting pure with this beautiful light of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Thank you so much to all the benevolent deities. Thank you so much to all the protective forces of the 10 directions. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to the source of courage, compassion, and wisdom. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to all my gurus, teachers, mentors, and all the guardian angels and guiding lights of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much to my parents, grandparents, in-laws, beautiful family members, and all the supportive and happy giving friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Thank you so much to everyone all around me, to whom I am connected directly or indirectly. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much to my body, mind, and soul for a beautiful harmony with each other. Thank you so much to all my internal organs for performing in a beautiful harmony. Thank you so much to all my external organs. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Thank you so much to my unlimited inner potential. Thank you so much to my true self. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to my enlightened self. Thank you so much that I am an awakened soul of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I am on the path of the God. I am always going Godward. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for choosing me for the higher purpose of the universe. Thank you so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy. I'm so capable. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. And just rub your hand with this beautiful affirmations. Thank you, and make it warm. And open your eyes under your palm so that the energy is again going to your entire being. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much to all of you for giving me such a beautiful opportunity. Thank you so very much, God, for bringing us together for a higher purpose. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone's life is opening up for the higher purpose of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.